What are you doing? Are you chewing on a stick? Leave it to you to find a stick and keep in water. Boy, freaking ants are falling on me. Ah! Don't you dare. Little stinker. What are you doing? What are you doing? Thank you. Good thing I have my jeans on. You always know when I'm filming you. What you doing? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? You silly puppy. Huh? Gus. Here comes again. Here comes again. What are you doing?